Hello students, let's try to understand that is action of metal with water or the reaction of metal with water students. Okay, so let's have a look over. Metal react with water and produce a metal oxide and hydrogen gas. So they are saying they are producing the metal oxide and hydrogen gas. Metal oxide that are soluble in water dissolve in it to further form metal hydroxide, but all metals do not react with water. Okay, but all metal do not react with water, that you have to keep in mind student. Like metal plus water, metal oxide plus hydrogen gas, metal oxide plus water, metal hydroxide students, right? So what the case 1 student, you see the case 1, metal like potassium sodium react violently with cool water. In case of sodium potassium, the reaction is so violent and exothermic that the evolved hydrogen immediately catches fire. So that is potassium and sodium reacting with water. So that is they are giving potassium hydroxide, hydrogen gas, and heat energy is getting released student. Now the second case, the reaction of calcium with water is less violent. Okay, reaction of calcium with water is less violent. The heat evolved is not sufficient for the hydrogen to catch fire. So calcium reacting with water, so giving calcium hydroxide and hydrogen gas students. Now see the next point student, calcium start floating because calcium start floating because the bubbles of hydrogen gas formed stick to the surface of the metal. Okay, so why calcium start floating student on the surface? Because hydrogen gas formed stick to the surface of the metal. This is the point. Magnesium does not react with cold water, it reacts with the hot water to form the magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. It also starts floating due to the bubble of hydrogen gas sticking to its surface. Okay, metal like aluminum, iron, zinc do not react either with the cold water. Okay, so aluminum, iron, zinc do not react with cold or hot water, but they react with steam to form the metal oxide and hydrogen gas. So aluminum, iron, zinc, they react with the steam of the metal student, keep in mind. So aluminum, iron, they are reacting with the steam of the water and they are giving the aluminum oxide, iron oxide and hydrogen gas. Metals such as lead, copper, silver and gold do not react with the water student. So that is what is the reaction of the metal with the water molecule student. Thank you so much for watching friend. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel and don't forget to comment students.